welcome back. I am on the MsTree Bus, and well, it is a whole month later and still a very super chilly New York day. Today, we're going to start tackling the floor. Good job. Everybody wants to go outside, huh? All right. Out you go. Let's go clean the bus. Okay, first things first. Let's get this bus cleaned up.
It was the dead of winter when I finally closed the sale of the Little Red Cottages. I didn't have a solid plan after that, except to buy a bus and do a build. I really wanted to just jump in a vehicle and head south to warmer weather, but the bus wasn't ready. So I came to stay with a friend and be patient.
Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. Ain't no place I'd rather go.
Well, good. I'm glad you're giving them their own water. Sunday morning coffee all set up. I'm going to be brainstorming here in a moment and get back to work on this bus. When I sit on my lap, while we do some measurements and make a list for the Home Depot store.
My friend, whom we call the Clary Godmother because she is so to all the little animals, is a puppy handler for the Guiding Eyes for the Blind. She helps the pups learn new experiences and teaches them basic manners before they move into more serious training. Coffee on the bus with Son and the dogs is a favorite activity.
All right, this is where we're at. Lots of little bits of insulation. And then I'm going to go have some coffee and then I'm going to put some insulation on this floor. Another day on the bus build. Today I took the stickers out and I have been doing some floor insulation and getting all the pieces put in and spray foaming. And tomorrow when it's cured, I'll get it all leveled out and then we'll start putting some plywood in. I thought I needed 3 sheets of this dense styrofoam stuff. Anyway, I bought 3 sheets. I only need 2, so I'll be bringing one back because they come with a hefty price tag. And I don't really want to cut into another piece. I have this little section of the floor still, and as it turns out, that's where the bolts are, where I'm going to put a passenger seat back in. I'm just not there yet. So I'm going to actually leave that little spot opened and then insulate over once the seat is bolted in. So yeah, so it's nice and secure right back where it was. And then I'll be able to at least bring one friend. All right, peace out. See you tomorrow. You'll never guess where I am. Never in a million years, guess where I am. The sun is coming in the window and it feels amazing. I am waiting for a delivery and then I'm gonna go and get the rest of this flooring. It's a good day. Peace out. Sun shining here. All right, I am heading to Lowe's. All right, today is the next day and I put the floor in. So now it's just time to clean up and the bus goes back to the mechanic in the morning.
This was a challenging time for me physically. I had felt pretty much recovered after the hysterectomy last summer, but was still struggling with a lot of joint pain. It doesn't show in these videos, but I was having trouble, especially in my arms and hands. I was losing my grip, literally. I would have sensations of muscle fatigue, extreme pain, and then numbness. Of course, that made everything with this build just go that much slower. Good thing there are plenty of animals to keep us entertained.
What are you doing, buddy? Are you tired? You decided to climb into the laundry basket to take a nap? Aww. Rough day, huh? Out in the yard doing zoomies. It's Sunday morning again, and this is how far I got. I got the floor down, and I'm gonna cut the linoleum and get that all laid. And then tomorrow, this bus is gonna go back to the mechanic maybe one more time to get the power steering situation all overhauled. And then we're good to go. Then the fun starts. Then I can start building stuff. So let's see what happens today.
Take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. Take me all around to the thinking places where you spend your time. Ain't no place I'd rather go. You're a funny little critter and I love you so. And I wanna take a ride in the wheelbarrow in your mind. I come and sit down with me in a rocking chair.
Okay, this is what I got done in a week. The bus has a floor. Not complete, but it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Can't complain. And I have a drain over there. Not hooked up, but just have to finish covering out the wheel wells. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. But, yeah, and then I have a little spot here that isn't quite done. It's going to get a piece of insulation doubled up under here that is not going to be attached to the ground. So that's where the chair will go. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it all turned out. Onward, back to the garage tomorrow to fix power steering, and then I can start building stuff. So peace out. Are you ready? You ready for some adventures? All right, Gwendolyn. At the mechanic again. She will be the safest vehicle on the road. Bye to my bus. Bye-bye to my bus. See you soon. Did you get mixed up in your seats, Mala? Are you in the little seat? You're in the big seat?